Hello everyone, welcome back. So the upcoming episode brings an emotional twist in Rahul and Rahi's relationship. As a sudden argument, a mention of divorce and hidden feelings create even more confusion between them. The episode begins with Rahul and Rahi arguing when it suddenly starts raining heavily. Rahi takes shelter at a nearby shop and keeps calling Rahul, while Rahul continues standing in the rain. When Rahul finally comes to her, Rahi asks him what he wants to say and tells him that she cannot keep waiting. Rahul promises that he will tell her very soon, but at that exact moment, Jia calls Rahul and brings up the topic of divorcing Rahi. Rahul gets irritated and asks Jia if she has nothing else to do. Rahi overhears the conversation and becomes furious. She tells Rahul that if he wanted a divorce so badly, he should have simply told her earlier. She says she would have given him a divorce herself instead of allowing everything to become so complicated. Rahi then gets into an auto and leaves. Rahul desperately asks her to listen to him, but Rahi refuses and goes away. Jia arrives soon afterwards, and Rahul angrily asks her why she had to bring up the divorce at that particular moment. Jia asks whether Rai was with him, and Rahul sarcastically replies, there was obviously no one else. Meanwhile, Rahul returns home and eats alone. As he thinks about Rahi, he becomes emotional and tells Konak that he feels that he has become crazy about Rahi. He complains that everyone keeps misunderstanding him and then walks away. At the hostel, Rahi is also suffering emotionally. She keeps thinking about Rahul and struggles to understand what he really wants from their relationship. Radhika then tells Rahul that she wants to speak to Rahi. Rahul immediately refuses and says that there is no need. Radhika, however, sees through him. She tells Rahul that he has fallen in love with Rahi. Rahul initially denies it. He says that he will never be able to love anyone again and reminds Radhika that he never made Rahi any serious promises. But Radhika tells him that this is nothing but his ego talking. She advises him to put his ego aside and accept what he truly feels. Later, Rahul goes outside and starts thinking about Rahi. He begins questioning his own feelings and wonders whether he has actually fallen in love with her. At the same time, Rahi is also heartbroken. She says that even after trying to set Rahul free, she has not been able to free herself from him. Rahi feels that Rahul never understood what she was truly trying to say. Now, the biggest question is whether Rahul will finally accept his feelings for Rahi and stop hiding behind his ego. Will he try to bring her back, or will the misunderstanding between them continue to grow? The upcoming episode promises an emotional turning point in Rahul and Rahi's complicated relationship. Thank you for watching. Bye.